If Valorant won't launch, crashes on startup, or does nothing when clicked, try these quick fixes in order. Restart everything. Close Riot Client completely. Task Manager. End all Riot processes. Restart your PC, then relaunch. Run as administrator, right-click Riot Client. Run as administrator. Do the same for Valorant.exe. Repair game files. Open Riot Client. Click your profile icon, Settings, select Valorant, click Repair, update graphics drivers. Download the latest drivers from NVIDIA or AMD or Intel website, not Windows Update. Advanced fixes, reinstall Vanguard, most common fix. Uninstall Riot Vanguard from Windows settings, restart PC, launch Valorant. It will reinstall Vanguard automatically. Restart again. Disable overlays, Discord, NVIDIA, GeForce Experience, Xbox Game Bar. Update Windows and run a clean boot. Check Riot server status at status.riotgames.com. Still not working? Fully uninstall Valorant plus Riot Client plus Vanguard, then reinstall fresh.